Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make sauerkraut at home. Making your own fermented cabbage is a rewarding and simple process. We'll start by gathering just a few basic ingredients: fresh cabbage, non-iodized salt, and a clean jar. This traditional method ensures a delicious and healthy probiotic-rich food. Get ready to transform simple ingredients into a culinary delight with minimal effort and maximum flavor. Now, let's prepare our cabbage for fermentation. First, discard any damaged outer leaves and then quarter the head, removing the hard core. Next, thinly slice the cabbage into fine, consistent strips. A mandolin works wonderfully for this. Then, place the shredded cabbage into a large bowl and sprinkle it with your non-iodized salt. Begin massaging the cabbage vigorously for about 10 minutes until it releases a good amount of liquid. This brining step is crucial for successful fermentation. With your cabbage sufficiently brined, it's time to pack it into your clean 1-quart jar. Press the cabbage down very firmly, eliminating any air pockets as you go. It's essential that the cabbage remains completely submerged under its own liquid, the brine, to prevent mold. You can use a fermentation weight or even a small, clean jar filled with water to keep everything below the surface. Finally, seal your jar loosely, or use an airlock lid to allow gases to escape during fermentation. Your sauerkraut will now ferment at room temperature, ideally between 65 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 3 to 4 weeks. During this time, beneficial bacteria will work their magic, transforming the cabbage. You can taste it periodically after the first week to determine when it reaches your preferred level of tanginess and texture. Once it's perfectly fermented, simply transfer the jar to your refrigerator. Stored in the cold, your homemade sauerkraut will remain delicious and ready to enjoy for several months.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.